Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, and I'm sitting inside of a Lance travel trailer, but I wanted to go over some basics about shooting RVs, shooting video for merchandising RVs. And a lot of this is the same with whether it's a car, whether it's a boat, motorcycle, RV. A lot of this is the same. And what I'm getting at is you want to do the best job you possibly can. If you work for the dealer, if you're an independent lot service provider, or you just are a freelance, you shoot videos for your YouTube channel, you want to put the RV, the boat, the car, the motorcycle, side by side, whatever you're shooting, you want to put it in the best light. And I've always looked at it from a selfish standpoint. If I'm doing the best job I can, that vehicle, whatever it is going to sell faster, sooner than if it's a half-assed job. And if it sells sooner, then I get to shoot another one. So I always look at it from a totally selfish standpoint. Everyone that's on the lot, the sooner that gets off the lot, the sooner it gets replaced with a new one, the sooner I get more money. So this is coming from a total selfish position. And that's okay. I've told owners of dealers that before. I've talked to managers and told them why I do what I do. And it's all for selfish. I'm greedy, and I want the more money I can get, the happier I am and the happier my family is.